Hi guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to make a smooth zoom shake effect in After Effects. If your zoom shakes look like a linear zoom instead of a smooth cinematic transition, you are probably doing something wrong with your curves. Today I am breaking down the exact math I used to build the zoom shakes from my AM Film Shakes pack. The AM Film secret is all about the speed graph and the value graph. Let's get started. First, create a new adjustment layer and go 40 frames forward. Trim the ending there so the layer is exactly 40 frames long. Next, drag it above the clip you want to apply the shake to, and make sure you are at the very beginning of the layer. Now apply the transform effect to it. Click the scale stopwatch to add a keyframe at the beginning and set the value to around 145%. Then go to the end of the layer and set the scale back to 100%. The zoom itself is now ready, but if you preview it, it will look a bit weird. Next I will add shake to it and then smooth out the motion. Now go back to the beginning and apply the motion tile effect to the layer. To create the Y shake effect, click the tile center stopwatch. Now comes the important part of the shake. Grab the anchor point and hold shift, then move the tile center downward, similar to what I am doing. Next go a few frames forward and again grab the anchor. Hold shift and move it upward, but this time keep it closer to the center. Go a few more frames forward and move it downward again, keeping it even closer to the center. Finally, go to the end of the layer, right-click Tile Center, and select Reset to restore the original value. Make sure to enable mirror edges and set the output height to 120. Now let's add one final effect, Directional Blur. Set the direction to 0 degrees and the blur length to 45. Click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Then go forward 5 frames by pressing page down 5 times, and set the blur length to 0. Now it's time to smooth out the entire zoom shake effect. Press U to reveal all keyframes and select only the scale keyframes by clicking the scale property. Press F9 to apply Easy Ease, then open the graph editor. Right-click, choose Edit Value Graph, and create a smooth curve similar to mine. Once done, close the graph editor and enable motion blur on the adjustment layer. Now preview the shake effect. Look how smooth it is. I really like how this looks. The same, and even better shake effects are included in the AM Film Shakes pack, which you can find in the description below. The pack includes 16 advanced shake presets that you can use in any type of edit, whether it is cinematic or a speed ramp edit. Now we can make the zoom shake even smoother by adding more motion blur. Under the transform effect, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360. This will make the motion blur stronger and more natural looking by simulating a longer exposure during movement. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.